Assignment 4, what I've learned from Assignment 2. We researched 4 tools: Skype, Flipgrid, WeVideo, and Splice. WeVideo and Splice are both ways to edit videos. Flipgrid is a way to answer a question, hypothetical question, essay question, short answer, and instead of using pencil and paper, students are able to create a little video and just say their answer, which is really nice. And then Skype, which is a video phone call combination, and all 4 are really effective for 6th graders. It was nice being able to share these 4 tools and only having to research one, then learning from the other 3. Got a lot of great lesson plan ideas. It was great to see several different ways they can be used in the classroom for all subject areas and grade levels. Just a few things that I thought of for my personal classroom after seeing the research and doing a little bit of my own research. For Skype, I think it would be great to learn from an expert. We do Genius Hour projects, and a student maybe wants to learn about weather. They could contact a meteorologist and set up a Skype session. That'd be really cool. Flipgrid, we could use that to replace a wax museum with ancient civilizations. Maybe they do a project on God and goddesses and create a little video. That way, if parents can't attend the wax museum, at least they get to see the video. I think WeVideo would be a fun use for an exit ticket. Instead of just a short answer deal, they could create a video about what they've learned. And then Splice could replace a book report. And instead of just a paragraph about what they learned, maybe they could create a video of their favorite character of the book or something similar to that. Overall, I thought it was a very effective assignment. I'm glad we did it, and I got a lot of useful information.